Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Arif and this is your online class session. Your chapter fractions and rational numbers was going on and we have learned about rational numbers, introduction to rational number, positive and negative integers and absolute value of a rational number. And today's topic is simplest, the lowest form or standard form of a rational number. Simplest form or standard form or lowest form of a rational number. So what is the simplest or lowest form of a rational number? A rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is positive and between the numerator and denominator there is no common factor other than 1. A rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is positive and between the numerator and denominator there is no common factor other than 1. Suppose we have a rational number 5 upon 6. So in 5 upon 6, denominator is positive and in 5 upon 6 between 5 upon 6 there is no common factor other than 1. इनके और इनके बीच में कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर 1 के अलावा और कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है. सपोज इफ वी टेक -2 upon 6, -2 upon 6. So in this rational number the denominator is positive, but between numerator and denominator, between -2 and 6 there is a common factor, that is 2. We can simplify it like 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. We can write it like -2 upon 3 multiplied by 2. So or -1 multiplied by 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2. So 2 is the common factor between numerator and denominator, between -2 and 6. So this is not the simplest form of rational number, but this is rational number, but this is not the simplest form of rational number. So we simplify it, then we get -1 upon 3. -1 upon 3. In -1 upon 3 the denominator 3 is positive and between numerator and denominator, between -1 and 3 there is no common factor other than 1. Okay, let's take another example. If we have same as 6 upon -7, so in this rational number between 6 and 7 देर इज़ नो कॉमन फैक्टर अदर देन 1. इनका कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, ये और ज़्यादा सिंपल नहीं हो सकते. बट -7 द डिनोमिनेटर इज़ नेगेटिव, सो दिस इज़ नॉट द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ rational number. So we simplify it by dividing -1 in both numerator and denominator. We divide 6 by -1 and -7 divided by -1. Then we get -6 upon 7. This is the simplest form of rational number. We will take an example. Question is -102 upon 119. Make it in a standard form. So its standard form, how to make it in a standard form? -102 upon 119. So first we find the common factors between numerator and denominator. -7 multiplied by 6 upon -17 multiplied by 6 upon -17 multiplied by 7. So plus 17. 17 is the common factor between numerator and denominator. So we cancel it, 17 and 17, we will get 6 upon 7. So this is the simplest form or standard form of this rational number. Minus 6 upon 7 is the standard form of minus 102 upon 119. Next topic is equivalent rational number. What is equivalent rational number? Equivalent rational numbers are the rational number which are same in standard form, which have equal standard form. They are called equivalent rational number. So how can they form? Suppose we have a rational number 2 upon 3. If we multiply by 2 in both numerator and denominator, we will get 4 upon 6. 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 upon 6. We get 4 upon 6. If we multiply it by 3 in both numerator and denominator, we get 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3. We will get 6 upon 9. Same as if we multiplied by 4, we get 8 upon 12. If we multiplied by 5, we will get 10 upon 15. So these 2 upon 3, 4 upon 6, 6 upon 9, 8 upon 12, 10 upon 15, these are equal. They seems different in digits, but the value of each rational number of these are equal and same. So, and all rational numbers has a common standard form. So these rational numbers are called equivalent rational numbers. जिन rational numbers की का कॉमन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होता है, जिनका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म सेम होता है. अगर इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तब भी हमको ये मिलेगा, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तब भी हमको ये मिलेगा. 6 अपॉन 9 को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे 2 अपॉन 3 मिलेगा, और अगर 4 अपॉन 6 को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो भी 2 अपॉन 3 मिलेगा. तो ये सारे रैशनल नंबर्स इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर्स होते हैं. If a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers, अगर a upon b और c upon d दो रैशनल नंबर्स हैं, then a upon b इक्वल टू c upon d. a upon b will be equal to c upon d. दोनों इक्वल होंगे. then ad, a multiplied by d is equal to b multiplied by c. This is its property. Let's take an example. Express minus 5 upon 6 as a rational number with numerator minus 15. हमको इस रैशनल नंबर माइनस 5 अपॉन 6 को माइनस 5 अपॉन 6 को ऐसे एक्सप्रेस करना है कि इसका न्यूमरेटर माइनस 15 हो. देन हाउ टू डू इट? सो द न्यूमरेटर ऑफ गिवन रैशनल नंबर इज minus 5 which is to be replaced by minus 15. So we have to guess by what number minus 5 is to be multiplied so that the product becomes minus 15. हमको ये गेस करना है कि माइनस 5 से किस नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करें जिससे न्यूमरेटर माइनस 15 हो जाए. सो वी डिवाइड माइनस 15 बाई माइनस 5. वी चेक इट. हम इसको इससे डिवाइड करेंगे, सो वी विल गेट 3. सो वी मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द गिवन रैशनल नंबर बाय 3. अब 3 मिला है, 3 से हमको इन न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सिर्फ एक को नहीं कर सकते, एक को करेंगे तो रैशनल नंबर की वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगी. हमको दोनों में मल्टीप्लाई करके इसकी इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करना जिसका न्यूमरेटर माइनस 15 हो. So we multiplied it by 3 in numerator and denominator both. We will get minus 15 upon 18. So the required rational number is minus 15 upon 18. This is your answer. Let's do another example based on equivalent rational numbers. So these are two rational numbers. X upon 6 is equal to 7 upon minus 3. both are equal, so that both are equivalent. So both standard value will be same. So find the value of x. We know that for equivalent rational number, if a upon b is equal to c upon d, then AD, a multiplied by d, the numerator of first rational number and the denominator of second rational number is multiplied, and the product will be equal to c, the numerator of second rational number multiplied by the denominator of first rational number b. AD is equal to CB. AD is equal to CB or BC. So we divide it. X multiplied by -3 is equal to 6, or 7 multiplied by 6. So x multiplied by -3 is equal to, we multiply it, or 7 multiplied by 6, x is equal to 7 multiplied by 6 upon -3. We simplify it. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Then 7 multiplied by 2 upon -1, that is 14 upon -1. So we divide -1 to 14, we will get -14. This is your answer. Thank you.